Hello all, I'm happy to introduce myself as A. Fiona Joshi, Department of English, St. Ignatius College of Education, Palayamkottai. So today I'm going to present the topic, the difference between semantics and pragmatics. So before moving on to the topic, let's look into what is linguistics. So linguistics is the scientific study of language and its structure, including the study of grammar, syntax and phonetics. So there are two types of linguistics, and they are microlinguistics and macrolinguistics. And there are so many core branches of linguistics, of which the components are sounds, words, sentences and meaning. And semantics as well as pragmatics come under the category of meaning. So now let's look into what is semantics. So semantics refers to the meaning of language that can be found in dictionaries. So semantics considers the meaning of the sentence without the context. For example, it is raining outside. So it just literally gives a meaning that it is raining outside. And now let's look into what is pragmatics. So pragmatics is the study of meaning in context, focusing on how language is used and interpreted in real life situations. It examines the situation in which a conversation took place, the relationship between the participants and other contextual factors. For example, shall we go out for a walk? No, it is raining outside. So, when one of our friends asks us, shall we go out for a walk? So, instead of saying that I cannot come because it is raining outside, we can simply say that it is raining outside. So, such meaning, the meaning which depends on different situations, is called as pragmatics. So there are considerable differences between semantics and pragmatics, of which the first difference is semantics is concerned with the literal, dictionary or inherent meaning of words and sentences, whereas pragmatics examines how speakers and listeners derive meaning based on context, social norms, intentions and shared knowledge. And the next one is, if the meaning is from the language, then we call it as semantics, and if the meaning is from the context, we call it as pragmatics. And the focus of semantics is based on the literal specific meaning, whereas pragmatics focuses on the contextual and intended meaning. And next, let's move on to the context dependency of semantics, which is independent of specific context, and pragmatics is highly dependent on context. And the key concepts of semantics include synonymy, ambiguity and truth values, whereas the key concepts of pragmatics include implicature, deixis and politeness. And moreover, in order to differentiate semantics and pragmatics very easily, we can look into the examples. Like if the example gives the question like what does the sentence mean? It comes under semantics. And what does the speaker mean? It comes under pragmatics. So on the whole, semantics just refer to the literal meaning or the dictionary meaning, whereas pragmatics delve into the meaning which is based on the real life situations. Thank you.